Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up one of Annie's Kid Clubs. So Annie's Kit Clubs, I should say, is a subscription service that offers so many different crafts. So I believe this is the Creative Woman of the Month Club. That is usually what they send me. So this is very kindly sent to me, free for review, not sponsored. And I love it. It is such a fun subscription. I love getting subscriptions now that are also experiences, or just in life in general, putting money forth experiences, not just things you use once or whatever. So they have so many, like I said, but in the Creative Woman of the Month Club, they send you a brand new craft every month to learn, and it is beginner friendly. I am not naturally crafty. This is something I'm working on, and it's super fun. You could do it alone, with your family, with your friends, loved ones, whoever. And if you don't want the random craft or a different craft every month, they have jewelry making, crocheting. They have so many different subscriptions, and they're affordable too. And I have a code to save 50% off all of them. So this one is $19.99 a month, and I have a code to save 50%. It's KB in caps 50. I will link Annie's down below along with that code, so you could check out all the subscriptions they have. I also have a playlist on my channel so you can see past subscription. But I'm super excited to see what this is, and I believe this is March. Yeah, because oh my god, yeah, March is in a week, and I usually get this sent early to me. So if you subscribe now, this should be what you get if you're watching this in real time when I post the video. But hi guys, how are you? Welcome or welcome back. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty, and I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it looks I can tell it's gonna be cute. I see yarn, but let's see. And I love that they give step-by-step instructions. Oh, macrame mug rugs. Macrame. I have some macrame, I think it was a long time ago. I've been getting the subscription for a while, but they're coasters, but this is really cute. And I love the colors, that orange. So they give you pretty much everything you need for the crafts. I'll open this and we can see, but that is so cute. A mug rug. So we have, oh my god, these are such cute colors. I feel like these would work in any home, because they're pretty neutral, but also the orange, I just love it. And we have some pins here, coaster thing, and then our instructions. So I'll show you how it is. So here's the front, so you could see what the designs look like. And then inside, seriously, they give you step-by-step instructions, and it looks like it's not even too many, but I'm a visual learner, a visual person, so I like that they do that. So yeah, and the macrame, I love saying that word for some reason. Macrame mug rugs, you get a cotton cord, cork, trivet, and T-pins. So from home, you'll need a ruler and scissors. And even if you don't have a ruler specifically, probably just something I just got actually measuring tape in the subscription I opened for this, but that's not too many items at all. And then it gives you some helpful hints, and it says then getting started and how to make it. There's not too many steps. That's awesome. Look how cute. I love that color so much. So yeah, you could be super crafty or just a beginner crafter and have a lot of fun doing this. I think this is great. I know we're getting out and about now more in the world, but still I think a lot of us are spending more time at home, and either way, even if things are starting to get back to normal, it's just really nice to have activities to do at home, and then you get to see your beautiful work all the time. I just think something about it's so special to make the art and the crafts and all the things that you use day to day. It just is a special little touch, and especially if you get to do it with a loved one. So again, they have a bunch of other subscriptions. They have ones just for kids and stuff too. So I think there's at least 13 or 15 of them, and they're all good price. And yeah, you make items that you'll use for as long as you want. So again, it will be linked down below. Thank you, Annie's Kit Clubs, for sending this to me every month. I love it. It's really inspired me and brought out more of my creative side. So if you guys are looking for that inspiration too, definitely recommend it. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think. And yeah, again, I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.